Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. In this video, I'm going to be telling you every single thing that you need to take along when you are going for your NYSC camp, so that you don't miss anything, or so that you don't suffer in general, because suffering can be when you are like, oh my god, like I should have bought this thing at home, and you get to Mami Market and they are telling you like extravagant prices, and you're like, how is that even possible, So if you're a prospective core member, meaning you are going to be going to camp with the next batch, or you are going next year, or you are going later in life, or you even know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that is going to NYSC camp, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is to sit back, grab your popcorn and watch this video to the end, and please subscribe to my channel. It really goes a long way. Please subscribe to my channel.
Baby, hop in my Maserati. I say hop in my Maserati. Hop in my Maserati. Girl, I wanna see you.
To make this video very easy for whosoever is watching, I have divided these essentials into 4. So let's just start taking them one after the other, and I'm going to break all these things down for you guys. Credentials. The very first thing you are going to need is your green card. The green card is the slip that you get when you freshly register for NYSC, and it has to be printed in the colored format. You are going to need 1 colored copy and 4 photocopies. Next, you are going to need your color letter. Now, when you register for NYSC, remember I told you are going to need your green card. Then after about some hours, or maybe by the next day or so, you are going to get your call-up letter. Now your call-up letter is going to carry your call-up number, and you are also going to need this in the colored format, 1 colored copy and 4 photocopies. Next, you are going to need your medical fitness. Your medical fitness should be from a certified hospital. The most important thing that you check out for in camp is that it has to be signed with a pen. A lot of people actually forge their medical fitness certificates, but to be very, very safe, it is better that you just go to a hospital and they're just going to give you. And it's not even as expensive as the amounts that somebody that is forging it for you is going to charge, right? So moving on. So you are going to need your medical fitness certificate. You need the original copy, which will be in colored format, and about 4 photocopies as well. The next thing you need is your original statement of results. For your original statement of results, I mean the original, don't even try to take photocopy to camp, because if you take only photocopy to camp, you are going to be stressed. In fact, they are not going to allow you to do your registration. So somebody is going to have to bring it for you, even if you like, come from Lagos to Abuja for camp, you are not going to do your registration. You have to get the original copy, okay? So you need the original copy and 4 photocopies as well. Don't forget this, guys. It is very, very important. The next thing you're also going to need is your school ID card. If you don't have your school ID card, probably it was collected from you or something, then you have to get it from your school. You need your school ID card and a photocopy, like front and back photocopy of your school ID card. About 2 copies of your ID card will do. Also, you need your COVID-19 slip, the colored format, and about 4 photocopies as well. Last but not the least on this my credential list is your passport. For your passport, it has to be on a white background. Very, very essential. You see, this one is like very important. It has to be on a white background, okay? And you need about 8 to 10 copies. And let's move on to the next thing that we have, which is our food essentials. Hey, you guys, food is very important. Hey, see, in camp, one of the things that can give you joy after all this drilling, marching, parade and everything is food. Food is very important. First of all, you are going to need plates. Now when you get to camp, in my own camp, they did not sell normal plates for us. They were selling flask. And what do you need flasks for? Because the food they are cooking is like, after some hours, what am I even saying hours? After some time, once at the end, you are not going to enjoy the food. So what's the essence of getting a flask when you can just get like plates, maybe like all those takeaway packs that you can just use to buy food? You can easily clean it and all of that. So You don't necessarily need flask when you're in camp, to be honest. Just take away pakutu. Depends on if you are lazy to wash plates, you can carry about 2 to 3, but 1 is enough actually. 1 is enough. Just use it and wash it. You're also going to need your spoon, obviously. When I went to camp, the sun was so much that you have to be drinking water. If you have the money to buy bottled water, that's fine. But if not, please take your water bottle along so that you can always buy pure water and turn it inside the bottle so you can take it anywhere you are going, okay? You are going to be dehydrated in camp. The stress is not here. Also, you need your provision. If you are a tea person, you like cornflakes, whatever you like, just take it along so that you can get something to snack on. If you need snacks as well, you can. Although all these things I'm saying, you can get everything in Mami Market too, but Mami Market, they're going to increase the price for you. So if you're not looking out to spend a lot of money in Mami Market, then you need to take your things from home, right? So you guys, that's all for our food essentials. Now, the cocoa, one of the cocos, not even like, okay, yeah, one of the cocos. Cocoa means like one of the main things, including essentials. So, see, when you get to camp, you're going to be given your crested vest. Your crested vest means that it has the NYSC print on it, both front and back, and it's really cute, you know. I don't know, I like it. Yeah. You have your khaki trousers, your khaki jacket, your cap, 1 cap, 2 pairs of white shorts, 2 round neck tops, socks, and your jungle boots. You're also going to be giving your white sneakers. Guys, when you are giving your camp kits, please, no matter how tired you are, please check it out. Ensure that these things are complete, because if they are not complete, you're going to have to like go back maybe the next day, and they're just going to be, although they're going to give you, but they're going to stress you out, okay? They can be saying they gave you misplaced it, all kind of nonsense, and so it's just better for you to just cross check, okay, before you sign and collect your kits. This one is like very, very important. Make sure everything is complete. But the reason you have to like take your own clothing essentials along with you is that these things they will give you, right? They, most of the time, like, you have to be extra lucky to get your size. They are usually not your size. Things I need to take along: number 1, your round neck top, and it has to be white. Take at least 3 white round neck tops. Also, you need white shorts. I'll advise that you take at least 3 as well. You need white socks, at least 3 as well. Now, depending on the time you are going for camp, they may be cold or not. So if there is cold, you may need to carry your white sweater along, or you can also use your khaki jacket as your sweater. So anyone that works for you, just take it. You need white canvas. I really advise that you go with your rubber sneakers. Rubber sneakers are very, very good, especially when you have like sand on the ground. In my own camp, there was nothing like that. I'm even hearing that some of my friends had tarred roads in their camp. My camp was pure sand. Like from that point that you come out from your room to every single place in the camp, it was sand. So now tell me, if you are bringing fancy sneakers for your everyday wear, how are you going to cope? It's really not going to be easy. So rubber sneakers are number 1. They are very, very easy to clean. Another sneakers, it can be fancy sneakers for carnival. Carnival is your Christmas day. It is your time to shine in that camp. So you may need fancy sneakers for carnival. Or if you don't want to buy fancy sneakers, you can as well wear your jungle boots for carnival, or you can also wear your rubber sneakers. Anything that works for you. You know how you want to be on carnival day, so make sure you pack along for carnival. I'm going to show you guys a picture of me on carnival day. And you also need jeans on carnival day. Like I said, carnival day is your Christmas day, so you want to look good and all of that. So you need a pair of jeans for carnival. So you need your bedspread so that you can put it on your bed. And if you're a pillow person, in my camp we weren't giving pillows, so you may need to carry your pillow from your house, or just carry a small pillow so that you don't pack too heavy from home. Also, you need your waist bag. This waist bag is like very, very important, because your waist bag is going to prevent you from losing a lot of things. You can keep your money, your power bank, your phone, this one, that. Like, waist bags are just the best in camp. You're also going to need your towel, that's like your personal stuff in camp. If you're contesting for Miss NYSC or Mr. Macho, you are going to need clothes like dinner gowns and stuff like that, maybe your makeup and all those things. You know what you want to look like on the D-Day, so you have plans to do Miss NYSC or Mr. Macho. Just Google about Mr. Macho and Miss NYSC. It's like Miss NYSC is the pageant in camp, and Mr. Macho is like you have to flex your muscle and show them, okay, this is what I got, so you may need clothes for that as well. And if you're a Christian, you are going to need church clothes. Now camp is about 21 days. That means that you're going to have 3 Sundays in camp, so you may need to pack church clothes. Now when you're packing church clothes, don't pack heavy clothes, just pack very light clothes. If you're a guy, you can take 1 trouser and maybe 3 tops, or you can just pack very light clothes. And if you're a girl, the same thing, maybe 1 skirt and like 3 tops like that, or just very light clothes. Don't pack anything that is going to make your box too heavy, right? When you are in NYSC camp, you are going to meet a lot of people. You may make new friends. So when you are done with camp, you may need extra clothes for going out. Maybe you want to just go for an excursion, or you just want to do random things, or you just want to visit new places in your in your camp area before you even go home. So you are going to need clothes for that as well. Also, you are going to need clothes for when you are coming back finally. That is if you are sleeping over at the place that you are going for, maybe excursion or something, and then maybe the next day when you are going home, you are going to need extra clothes. Guys, it is very important that you do not travel in your NYSC uniform. It is very unsafe in the north, because if you guys are aware, there is this kidnapping here and there, and if somebody is going to kidnap a set of people, if they see people in a bus or anywhere and they see coppers are their first target, because they believe that the federal government is going to maybe pay ransom to them or something. So that is why you should not travel in your NYSC uniform. Please take extra clothes when you are going back home, so that you do not travel in your NYSC uniform. And one thing that I would like to say is that whatever you are packing, guys, pack very light, okay? It is very important to pack light, especially if you are traveling by air. When you get to the park, your load is going to be weight, and if your load is overweight, you are going to be paying extra. And when you are going and your load is overweight, remember that you don't even have your NYSC kit already. Now imagine when you are going back by air again and you're adding the NYSC kit, you see that you'll be paying unnecessary fees. So it is very important that you don't take things that you do not need to camp. Now moving on to the last part of this video, our miscellaneous, right? The first thing you need your pen. When you get to NYSC camp, you don't know anybody yet, and borrowing pen, telling people to borrow your pen is not so cute. That means that somebody is going to be waiting for you to be done, and you just take your pen along. Take your pen, it's very important. Secondly, you need your power bank. Your power bank is important because you are not going to be provided with lights in your hostels, so you may need to be charging your phone in Mami markets. One of the things that will keep you company in camp is your phone. Imagine not having your phone and you're just bored like that, and so it's just better to drop your power bank at Mami markets and you charge your phone with your power bank, and when your power bank is down, you take it there, so you're not having to do away with your phone. Also, you need stapler and staple pins so that you can easily do your stuff by yourself. You don't need to be going here and there doing your registration. It's really very nice to have your stapler. Don't forget your toiletries, your soap, your brush, your toothpaste, your everything that you need. Just carry all your toiletries along with you when you are going for camp, okay? You need your bucket and your bowl. This one is not even compulsory that you buy it from home. You can just get to Mami market and buy your bucket and your bowl. It's actually going to be very cheap. It's not cheap per se, but it's still okay. You can easily get those things at camp, okay? If you know you are going to be able to clean your washable face mask, then please go with it. But if not, just go with your disposable face mask. I really advise that maybe you can be giving your clothes to someone to help you to wash. That's if you are willing to spend extra cash. But if you are not willing to spend extra money, then you are going to need pegs. And also, it's not in all camps that you are going to get rope for spreading your clothes, so you may as well need like small rope to be spreading your clothes if you are not going to be giving your clothes out to someone to wash for you. So you guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If this video was helpful in any way, please give me a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. It really goes a long way. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching to this end. Click on one of these videos on your screen right now so that you can continue seeing my face. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.